Have you ever asked yourself this question, who am I? Well, that is what we're going to be answering for you in this video with AbrahamHicks, with the best answer you can be looking for. And the reason I choose this video to share with you is because I believe you're going to learn quite a lot about yourself and the way you can pursue the best side of you and meet the other part of you, which is very compatible with yourself. So I hope you're going to like to watch this video. If you do, please like and subscribe and leave your comment below. Thank you for watching.
So, your source energy in physical bodies, the larger part of you remaining non-physical, completely non-physical, remembering who you were, but not giving much attention to who you were before you became who you are. Ooh. Well, what do you mean who I am? Who you are vibrationally. There is a vibrational version of you that always precedes the manifested version. But if you are like most humans, we love you so much. You know what's coming next. You are not allowing yourself to be, in most moments, all that you are. And as you begin to contemplate that and reach with a little more deliberate intent into the frequency that is really you, as you accept that your life, your magnificent life, your detailed precision, leading edge, sifting and sorting life experience is causing a constant expansion of who you are. And that expansion matters. It matters to all of us. It matters to you. And it matters to you in your physical format, because that, above all other things, speaks to how you feel right now. So let's say you've been banging around in this physical experience. You have, haven't you? And you've been picking up things along your physical trail, and you have ideas, you have feelings of purpose, you have a placement in life experience, you have relationships, you're having exposure to life, and you think about the life that you are having exposure to. But there's something important that we want you to know, to remember, to know and to remember. And that is, there's a larger part of you who is having exposure to the life that you're having exposure to, who also has an opinion about the life that you're having exposure to that is resistance free. And what we mean by that, as you explore the variety that you are living, you are launching rockets of desires. And these desires are known by the source within you and are held as the furthermost expanded beingness that is you. In other words, once life causes you to ask for something, the source within you knows you as that being who now is that. So there is a vibrational version of you who is experiencing all of the prosperity that you've been reaching for, who is experiencing all of the clarity that you are asking for, who's experiencing the vitality and the knowing and the alignment and the fulfillment and the satisfaction, all of the things that you want from life. That part of you is already living. So as you become aware that there is a non-physical part of you who is exposed to the life that you are living and who cares about the life that you are living, who loves whether you're loving or not, who knows your value whether you know it or not, who is pleased with where you are whether you are or not, as you understand that there is that part of you who is having that experience, and then you emotionally do your best to blend with that version of you. Now, you tune yourself little by little to the fullness of who you are, and in that wholeness, life is really, really good. And because you've tasted that wholeness from time to time, you can't go back from it, can you? In other words, that feeling that there's something more isn't about another car in your garage, although they are nice to have. It isn't about any of the things that so many people think that they need in order to fill the void that can't be filled with things. It is the alignment with who you are, not who you have been, who you are. It's the alignment with who you are that you're reaching for. And that's what we talk about all day, every day here. We are eager to talk with you about anything that matters to you. And it is our desire to know who you really are with such clarity that you can't miss it. That's what the power of influence is, isn't it? Knowing who you really are until you tune yourself to that feeling of appreciation of who you are. You are the leading edge of thought. Do you know that? Does that feel good or like responsibility? You are the leading edge of creation. And you're not here alone. You're not here to prove anything, and you can't get it wrong. You'll never get it done. The reason you can't get it wrong is because it's never done. You get to constantly stand in your new place where you are reaching for that alignment again. So in all of this conversation about vibration and about non-physical and about you being an extension of non-physical, we don't want to get off into la-la land to the point that you forget that you are here with powerful purpose and reason to experience this joyous life experience and all that that means to you. You're supposed to have fun. You're supposed to feel your vitality. You're supposed to feel movement. You're supposed to reach into places that you haven't reached before and feel enthusiasm as you reach there. It is a right thing that you feel a little gap every now and again, and that you tune yourself to the frequency so that you feel yourself moving in the direction of the things that you want. It's good that new things keep showing themselves to you. It's good that you find yourself reaching for more. It's wonderful that you manifest, because you are here in an environment where, and this is the important part of everything that we'll talk about with you forevermore, you live here in this environment where the vibration of that which you are about can be realized by you in tangible, see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, touch it form. We're not just here to talk to you about the concept of creation. We're here to revel with you in the moment by moment realization of thoughts turning to things for you. It is exhilarating to us to see you with your hands in the clay of your own life. We like it when you're excited, and we like it when something new occurs, and we like it when you question. We like it when you don't know. We like it when there's a question that is pulsing within you, because we know that question pulsing within you will bring everything that is necessary for the answer, and that's what life is. Life is about posing the new idea and then finding the path of least resistance to the fulfillment of it, you see. When you think about it, you never decide that you will go on vacation and you say, yeah, I think I'll go here and here and here and here. You have a really nice trip planned. And you look at it and you ponder all of the places that you're going, and you know that eventually in a week or two or three or four, you'll come back home. And then you say, realistically, I am home. And since that is my final destination, then really, why go? This trip has already been completed. And we say, you don't go on that vacation to get it done, do you? You go for the fun along the way. You go for the new along the way. You go for the insights. You go for the energy movement. You go for the emotional possibilities. You go for the living of life of it, don't you? And so that's how it always is. A never ending for any of us, always unfolding, everlasting journey. There's just one question that you really want to be aware of, and that is, how am I feeling right now in this journey? If you're waiting to get started, there's something that could be massaged into a better feeling place for you. If you're holding off waiting for something better to come along, there's something that could be massaged into place for you, because life is right now. All of your power is right now. It's a juncture where you meet you.